Hi, my name is Laurie Thompson, and I've been with AVORS for about maybe 8 years now. And I had a total shoulder replacement and a total knee replacement done in the last year from Dr. Sherfey, Justin Sherfey, and I'm very pleased with the outcome. The pain has been minimal. I was off of crutches and a walker within 2 weeks and going to physical therapy. I still have a couple more surgeries to go, another knee replacement and possibly neck surgery, but I'm going to hold off on that. I'm very happy with AVORS Medical. It's my one-stop shop. All of my doctors, surgeons, family doctor, everybody is there, orthopedics, so I don't have to travel very far. I can see all of my doctors in one place, and they're friendly. They really do care about your health and my health, and they want to help you be relieved of the pain that so many of us suffer with. And I'm grateful for all the new innovations that they are coming out with and helping people to get off of drugs, because unfortunately I was one of those people that had to take lots of drugs, and I'm 2 years sober, and I'm grateful for that. Thank you.